Ever wondered what ASA filament is and why it's used? This fascinating material is a game changer in the world of 3D printing. ASA, or acrylonitrile styrene acrylate, is a type of thermoplastic that's become a popular choice for many 3D printing enthusiasts. It's a variant of ABS, or acrylonitrile butadiene styrene. But with one key difference: ASA is specifically designed to be UV resistant, meaning it's less likely to degrade or discolor when exposed to sunlight. This feature makes it an ideal material for outdoor applications. Not only is ASA UV resistant, but it also boasts impressive mechanical properties. It's known for its high impact resistance and toughness, making it a strong choice for parts that need to withstand stress or strain. It also has good chemical resistance and retains its properties in a wide range of temperatures. But it's not just about strength and durability. ASA also offers excellent aesthetic qualities. It has a higher gloss compared to ABS, resulting in a smoother and shinier finish. This makes it a great choice for printing objects that not only need to perform well, but also look good. Now, you might be wondering, does ASA have any drawbacks? Well, like any material, it's not perfect. ASA can be a bit challenging to print with, especially for beginners. It requires a heated print bed and careful calibration to prevent warping or cracking. It's also more expensive than some other common 3D printing materials, but for many, the benefits outweigh these challenges. To summarize, ASA is a high-performance 3D printing filament with a host of benefits. It's UV resistant, making it ideal for outdoor applications. It boasts high impact resistance and good chemical resistance, making it a durable choice for functional parts. It also has a high gloss finish for a smoother, shinier look. But remember, it can be a bit challenging to print with and is more expensive than some alternatives. So, the next time you're planning a 3D printing project, especially one that's going to be exposed to the elements, why not consider ASA filament? It might just be the perfect material for your needs.